Hey guys, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Rambutina channel. Today we are announcing the winner of the 5k subscribers yarn giveaway. The winner will be winning a £50 gift card to Deramores, and yeah, I'll ask the winner to DM me on Instagram and they can let me know what yarn they want and then I can send it off to you. So this is really exciting. Thank you so much to over 500 entries. Thank you so much. And we hit 1,000 on Instagram, so we're going to do another giveaway on there very soon. So thank you so much for all of your entries. Yeah, I had so much fun reading about all your favorite yarns. It's definitely inspiring me to check out some American brands because I haven't really explored American yarn before, so yeah, I'm very excited about that. So yeah, let's just announce the winner. Congratulations, Deb Lemire, I hope I'm saying your name right. You are the winner of this giveaway. So yeah, congratulations. Please message us on Instagram. Our handle is @Rambutina, and then we can talk about what yarn you'd like. This is so exciting. So yeah, thank you again so much for all of your love and support on this channel. It means so much to me. I'm so blown away that we've reached over 6,000 subscribers now. It's crazy. So yeah, thank you so much. Marco is being a little naughty cat right now in this video, as per usual. But yeah, that's all for today's short little announcement, winner announcement video. Oh, cuckoo! 1 second. Just before I go, I just want to mention that I've got a lot of video ideas for the future, so I'm very excited to get cracking with all of these projects and videos for you guys. But yeah, thank you so much. Happy crocheting, have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!